Okay. Go see how I got that tweaked in there with my little plastic mounts I made. And I'm using my router sled I made. And I'm just trimming this thing down to this line right here is what I'm working on. So we'll take a little time, get that done, and then we'll move on to something else. I got another project over there in the works. You know something? I forgot the camera was running. I went in there and sat down and thought about this a little while. After this. I guess y'all seen the footage of how it happened. The router bed walked out of the bottom of the router and went right through the bottom of it. I was coming around making my last pass around this way to get it cleaned down, and I got it right there, and the router bit hung up and went and jerked it right out of it, and it lost it. So I think next thing I'm gonna do is buy another random router, because I'm not putting up with that one anymore. Nope, gotta have a better router. Man, all that work. I told you I was going to put an F-hole, I just put it in an odd place. Yeah. Life's what it is. Carry on. Hey, all these don't work out right, you know that, right? We have goods and bads, and well, this is what the kind of shit we get. Remember this, God loves you, so do I. I got joy down in my heart. There ain't nothing I can do about this, but just start over. That's all I can do. So hey, take care of yourselves. If that doesn't deserve a subscription, nothing does. See you next time.